and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I teamed up with another local YouTuber from here from El Paso. Her name is Sara. I have linked her YouTube channel and her Instagram down below in the description box. We teamed up to do this collaboration of a celebrity makeup look. She did one as well on her channel and her YouTube, so go check her out and let her know that I sent you her way. I decided to do this recreation of Demi Lovato's makeup. I just thought it was beautiful. I've been wanting to do something colorful, and everything else that she wears is pretty much neutral. So this seems to be one of the only pictures that I found where she has beautiful, colorful, spring, summer type makeup. So that's what we did today. Also, before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you're notified every time I upload a new video. So if you want to know how I created this look, then please keep watching. So first I'm going to spray some of my Mario Badescu spray all over my face. I've already moisturized it. This is just to kind of freshen it up just a little bit more. Next, I'm super duper tired because I hardly got any sleep last night. So I'm going to go in with my eyes and prep them with the Benefit Erase Paste. And this is just to cancel out any darkness or redness that I have around my eyes. I'm gonna blend that out. It does not have to be perfect because I am gonna go over it with my foundation. Whatever I have left over, I'm gonna put it on my nose, my upper lip, and my chin. For foundation, I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Coverage HD foundation. I recently bought this at Ulta and I am obsessed. It photographs, you guys, so beautiful. I am in the tone Nude Beige. And blend that out. Don't forget to cover your ears, your neck, I honestly love this foundation way more than my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. For concealer, I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape. This one I use in the color, I believe it's Fair. The little thing at the bottom fell, so I'm pretty sure it's Fair. I'm going to take my damp Real Techniques Beauty Blender and just pounce it all over my face, just to give it a little bit more of a glow, because in this photo, or in this photo shoot, it seems that Demi's skin is very, very clean and just very glowy, and the main focus seems to be on her eye, Using my Laura Mercier translucent powder, I'm going to set my under eyes and around my laugh lines and my chin, my nose, and a tad bit on my forehead, which is, I'm only going to be doing this only to lock in that moisture because the days are getting warmer. So that means that, you know, I glow or sweat a little bit more. So this is just going to prevent my makeup from slipping and sliding all over my face. Now I'm gonna do just a slight contour. I'm gonna use my Kat Von D Shade and Light contour palette, and using one of my little crown brushes, the smallest little dome shaped one, I'm going to pick up shadow. As you guys can tell, I really don't need much contour. I mean, I already have kind of a bit, but I'm just gonna, just for pictures, just to apply it just a little bit. With the same color, I'm gonna go in around my jawline just to sharpen it up just a little bit. Around my big old forehead. And when you do your forehead, you want to make sure that you press it into your hairline. Sorry guys, I'm looking at my viewfinder. Just like that. This seems to be okay. I might go back in and do a little bit more. But for now, I think this works. Then picking up my vintage pencil, I got this in my BoxyCharm. This is step number 3. It's just a little flat brush. I'm going to use this to contour my nose. Combination of shadow play and subconscious. To do the contour, you could also use a bronzer. I actually wanted to use my Hoola bronzer, but I don't know where it's at. Also, if you guys would like for me to do a all about contour video, like how to contour, what products to use, what brushes, what works for me, methods, and all that, please give this video a thumbs up. That way I know and I can do that video for you guys. Yeah, just did a small contour on my nose. For my brows, you guys already know I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. I use the shade Ebony. I know I sped this up, but I do have a brow tutorial and I'll link it down in the description below. That way you guys can watch it. It's pretty much the same thing. I still do the same thing. Except I don't really perfect the brow as much. For blush, I'm gonna be using this Profusion blush palette. I'm gonna use the colors. I think I'm gonna go in with Lush and Alive. and apply this to the apples of my cheeks. Okay. Now to set the base for my eyeshadow, as far as neutrals and all that she has in the picture, I'm gonna use my ABH Modern Renaissance palette. It's super beat up. I feel like I haven't used this palette in so long, so I figured, why not? Let's bring her out. So I'm going to, let me see how my eyes are looking. Okay, so I'm going to set my eyes with this shade right here, which is Tempera. I'm gonna apply this all over my lids, and I'm gonna be using my Real Techniques crease brush. Now going with the same brush, I'm gonna pick up burnt orange, and I'm gonna apply this on my crease. And then I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, which is Buon Fresco, and only apply this on the outer part of my crease. Next, to start building up the purple shadow, I'm gonna pick up my BoxyCharm Pure palette from my vacation box. I'm gonna use BFF, which is this fuchsia magenta type looking color, and I'm gonna apply this on the upper part of my crease. Now to build up that purple and to make it look less pink, I'm gonna go in with my trusty dusty Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm gonna pick up the purple shade that is in here, and I'm also gonna use that blue for the blue part. Now picking up this little flat brush, I'm gonna pick up the blue and just pack it onto my eyelid. Just like that. And then to highlight my brow bone and to kind of blend everything together, in the same Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm going to pick up this color right here with the small Real Techniques definer brush, and I'm going to apply this on my brow bone. because in the picture Demi is looking downward. I'm not sure what kind of color she has on her waterline, on her lower lash line, I'm sorry. But I'm assuming it's probably, I'm thinking it's like maybe the same purple shade. So that's what I'm gonna apply. I'm gonna apply the purple shade that I used from the BoxyCharm Pure Palette on my bottom lash line. So lashes are on, and I'm noticing in the picture that her blue part has somewhat of a shimmer in it. I'm thinking of adding just a little bit of this blue right here from my Tarte Make Believe in Yourself palette. Just somewhat of a halo, nothing too wild. For today's glow, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Sugar Glow Kit. And she has a very glowy look in that picture. So I'm just going to use Butterscotch. Her lips are very neutral. They're somewhat of a pinky tone, but I feel like I always do pinky lips. So I'm gonna go with a neutral lip, a nude lip, and I'm gonna use Anastasia Beverly Hills Pure Hollywood. And so this is the final look. What do you guys think? I think we got pretty close, pretty accurate to what Demi has on her photo. I did post a side-by-side image on my Instagram, so go ahead and check that out and leave me a comment on there. Let me know what you guys think about this. Let me know if you guys like this video, if you would like to see more celebrity or YouTuber recreation makeup tutorials. That's it for me today, guys. I hope you guys liked this video and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And also don't forget to follow my friend Sara and let her know that I sent you. And go check out her video as well, because she also did an Instagram post and a YouTube video on a celebrity look. So go check her out, see what she did. I'm not gonna tell you guys because then that would give it away. So go check her out and let me know what you guys think. Let her know that I sent you. And that's it. That's it for me today, you guys. I hope you guys have a great weekend and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.